my god. Nah, bruh. Nah. Nah, I'm out.
So for the people who play Hard Time 3 on their PC will know that you can play vanilla and modded version of the game. So today I tried to run the modded version. I got this error and it said it couldn't load a DLL. Long story short, I was like, oh yeah, someone else must have gotten this, right? So I looked it up on YouTube and nobody made a video on it. So guess we're here now. But all you gotta do is go to your Steam where you have Hard Time 3, and then go to the local files, and then go to Hard Time 3 data, go to plugins, go to x86, and here's the Steam API. I don't know why this isn't in the directory yet, but I guess they forgot. I don't know, man. But you copy this. And then you put it into the directory. Yeah, the game's fixed. Now you can play the modded version. I don't know how many people got this error, but you know how to fix it now, so you're welcome.